Hello friends, today I am going to review this 360-degree mosquito killer lamp. It has good reviews on Amazon and it is available at price range of 450 to 500 rupees. It is made of plastic and very lightweight. It comes with a USB cable and a tiny cleaning brush. The metal wiring will kill the bugs with high voltage shock. You can use either a mobile charger or a power bank to power it on. It is suitable for indoor use only. You have to keep the room dark and place it 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed. Make sure all windows and doors are closed. Based on the habits of mosquitoes, the purple LED of the bug zapper release light wave of about 368 nanometer, and mosquitoes will automatically rush to the electric net and be killed. This is the result after 10 hours. Not only mosquitoes but also bugs get attracted to it. Overall a good device, recommended.